Hello folks, today we will discuss bryophytes, Funaria, moss in bryophytes. Let's start with the famous question that from which part the gametophyte arises? Then answer will be protonema. This is the first question. Protonema gives rise to axillary buds, and from these buds the gametophyte arises. Gametophyte, let's discuss the structure of gametophyte. It has rhizoids, stem or axis, leaves or phylloid. Rhizoids से बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन बनते हैं. Features of rhizoids are branched. It is branched, obliquely septate, very important feature, multicellular and colorless. When young is colorless, while mature shows a brown tincture in color. Roots भी brown होती है, तो हम याद रख सकते हैं कि rhizoids are beginning of roots. Stem is erect and branches only once in extra-axillary fashion. Next is leaves. Leaves are green, sessile, means without petiole, directly attached to the stem. Spirally arranged, ovate in shape, like this. Ovate in shape with the presence of midrib, and margin is slightly serrated, not very much but slightly serrated, like this. Next, let's see the diagram of Funaria. This portion is leafy portion is gametophyte, while this upper yellow portion is the sporophyte. This is capsule, this is seta, and here it is attached to the gametophyte with the help of foot. These are leaves, this is stem, and these are rhizoids. This is monoecious, means both male and female parts are attached on the same plant, same shoot. And male gametes are male stem, male shoot is known as Anthridiophore, while female shoot is known as Archegoniophore. Leaves surrounding the male shoot is known as, this is very important question, leaves surrounding the male shoot is known as perigonial, while leaves surrounding the female shoot is known as perichetial. आर्कीगोनिया से याद रख लेना, CH आर्कीगोनिया में और चीटियल में भी CH है. Next is the female parts में, पर वो CH तो उसमें था, है तो है, CH is here. थोड़ी देर के लिए मैं भूल गई, sorry. Next is the structure of Anthridiophore. This is the structure. This is Anthridia. This yellow with swollen tip is paraphysis. This is extra appendage present inside the. This is Archegoniophore. This is stem tip. These male and female structures are present on the tip of stem, and these are that leaves. This is Anthridiophore, so these leaves are perigonial leaves. These leaves are perigonial leaves, and there's you can see the arrangement of Anthridia is acropetal manner. Acropetal means older is at the center while younger is at the periphery. This is also important, very important feature of arrangement of Antheridia inside Antheridia 4. Then sperms are formed inside it and come to the female archegoniophore. This is the paraphysis of the archegoniophore has no swollen upper end and they are leaf-like, and their leaf is perichetial. This is egg or ooze spore. This is archegonia flask-like. This is venter, swollen part. This is neck, and sperm enters from this mouth of neck, and there is fusion with the ova. After fusion, there is formation of sporogonium, sporophyte. Let's see here. After the fertilization, after fertilization, the sporogonium develops into sporophyte like this. This is foot, this is seta, and this is capsule. Many questions arises from the structure of this capsule. Let's discuss it in detail further. First is foot. Foot से attached होता है ये यहाँ पे. This is foot, and the stalk is seta, and head is capsule where spores are formed inside it. This is the structure of capsule. Upper tip is operculum or mouth. This is center में spore mother cell. This pink portion is known as theca, and this spore mother cell holding portion is known as theca, and this portion is known as apophysis. Below theca is apophysis. Here photosynthetic cells are present. ये green photosynthetic cells, and this is conduction cells, and this is septa, stalk of the capsule, and these are spores inside spore mother cell. The question arises that apophysis is the which part of the capsule, lower, middle, or theca is the which part of capsule? The operculum is the upper part of the capsule. Theca is the middle part of the capsule, and apophysis is the lower part of the capsule. Question asked many times in many exams. So next very important question is the peristome. This is like a mouth. Peristome, operculum is mouth, and peristome holds the teeth. Like peristome, like lips. Lips carry the teeth. 2 rows of, as you can see, these are 2 rows, and each row has 16 triangular teeth. Triangle shape. I try to make in a triangle, but they are little bit. Many questions are asked from this peristome, that location of peristome is in the operculum. How many rows? There are 2 rows inside peristome of teeth. Each row has 16 teeth. Let's see outer teeth, differentiation between teeth, outer and inner teeth. Outer teeth are hygroscopic in nature. They are water absorbing, and inner teeth are delicate and colorless. Inner teeth are delicate and colorless, and outer teeth have transverse bands on it like this. They are triangular in shape, and these are transverse bands around the teeth. They absorb water for breaking the capsule. They absorb water and become swollen और भारी हो जाते हैं वेट में, जिस वजह से ये रप्चर कर जाता है कैप्सूल to release the spores, to release these spores outside so that they can germinate. Spores can germinate. They are double layered spores with exine and intine. Exine again absorb water to rupture and germinate to form protonema. Protonema again form the axillary buds or lateral buds to form the leafy gametophyte. Here question is again very important, that which division has the leafy gametophyte, then answer will be bryophyta. Then gametophyte again form the gametes, they fuse and they form sporogonium, then sporogonium again forms spores, spore again form protonema, and this cycle goes on. Here protonema has two type of branches, chloronemal branches and rhizoidal branches. This is also maybe asked, important. And this repetition of sporophyte and gametophyte, this is known as alternation of generation. Very, very important, very famous question. This is all about the Funaria, its structure, its life cycle. Thanks and have a nice day.